Demystifying the data conversion warning in scikit-learn. The data conversion warning in scikit-learn sklearn is a common warning you might encounter while working with data. It's not an error that will halt your program, but it's a valuable signal that something is amiss and needs attention. This warning indicates that your data is being coerced into a different format than expected by a scikit-learn function. While not always a critical issue, it's important to understand its causes and implications to ensure your model is working as intended. Common causes of data conversion warning. 1. Data type mismatch. The most common reason is when your data is not in the expected data type. For instance, a function might anticipate numerical values, but you might be supplying strings, booleans, or even objects. Example: feeding a list of strings e.g. 1, 2, 3 to a function that expects integers. 2. Missing values. Sklearn functions, especially those involved in model training, often need complete datasets. If you have missing values, nans, sklearn might try to automatically handle them by filling them with a default value, leading to the warning. Example: using linear regression on a dataset with missing values in a feature column. 3. Data scaling. Some algorithms require data to be scaled within a specific range, e.g. between 0 and 1. If your data is not scaled appropriately, the warning might indicate that sklearn is trying to automatically scale it. Example: using standard scaler to scale a dataset without explicitly defining the desired range. 4. Data encoding. Categorical features, e.g. red, blue, need to be encoded into numerical representations. If you don't explicitly handle this, sklearn might automatically perform a conversion, generating the warning. Example: using decision tree classifier on a dataset with categorical features without using one-hot encoder. Interpreting the warning message. The data conversion warning message provides helpful information about the reason for the warning. Conversion performed. The message will clearly state what type of conversion was performed. For example, converting data to class NumPy, float 64. Reason. It will also mention the reason for the conversion, such as data with input D type class str was converted to class NumPy, float 64. Affected function. The message will specify the function or method that triggered the warning. Location. The code line where the warning occurred is usually included. Understanding the implications. The data conversion warning often signals a potential problem that you should address. Accuracy. Unsuitable data types can affect the accuracy of your model. For example, treating strings as numerical values might lead to incorrect calculations. Performance. Imputing missing values or scaling data can introduce bias and affect model performance. Interpretability. Automatic data transformations can make your model harder to interpret. Mitigating the warning. 1. Explicit data type conversion. Convert your data to the appropriate data type before feeding it to the function. Example: data index for x in data to convert strings to integers. 2. Handle missing values. Address missing values appropriately using methods like imputation or dropping rows columns. 3. Data scaling. Use standard scaler, min-max scaler, or other scaling techniques to ensure your data is within the desired range. 4. Categorical feature encoding. Use one-hot encoder, label encoder, or other encoding techniques to handle categorical features. 5. Disable the warning if you are confident that the automatic conversions are not causing issues. You can temporarily disable the warning using warnings. Filter warnings. Ignore category data conversion warning, but it's generally not recommended. Example scenario: Python. Import pandas as PD. From sklearn, linear model import linear regression. From sklearn, preprocessing import standard scalar. Data PD, data frame feature 1 1, 2, 3, feature 2 4, 5, 6, model linear regression. Without data type conversion or scaling. Model, fit data, 1, 2, 3. This will produce a data conversion warning because feature 1 is a string and will be converted to float. Solution. Python. Import pandas as PD. From sklearn, linear model import linear regression. From sklearn, preprocessing import standard scalar. Data PD, data frame feature 1 1, 2, 3, feature 2 4, 5, 6, data feature 1, asti-paint convert feature 1 to integer. Scalar standard scalar, scaled data scalar, fit transform data scale the data. Model linear regression, model, fit scaled data. 1, 2, 3. This will avoid the data conversion warning by addressing data type and scaling. In conclusion, the data conversion warning is a friendly reminder from scikit-learn that your data might not be in the optimal format for the function you are using. Understanding the reasons behind the warning and addressing them appropriately is crucial for accurate, efficient, and interpretable models. By being aware of potential data type mismatches, missing values, and scaling issues, you can ensure your data is ready for use in scikit-learn functions. Remember, this warning is your ally in building robust and reliable machine learning models.